Tribunal hearing today is shaping up as a key test for the rights of people living in residential parks. Thousands of Australians, mostly retirees, own demountable homes in parks, but they don't own the land.
And advocates say some people have few rights if a park is sold or closed down. One group of residents is fighting for compensation. Consumer Affairs reporter Amy Bainbridge has the story.
This is what's left of a once thriving residential park at Hastings Point in northern New South Wales. It's now earmarked for development.
This is the time that we thought we'd be spending enjoying our retirement, enjoying where we are, and instead of that we're living in just total stress every day, not knowing where we're going to live.
The future for this small group of residents hinges on a complex and protracted fight for compensation. They say the developer has offered less than half of what their valuations show their homes are worth. Sue Allen's been offered $45,000 for her two-bedroom home that she's lived in for 15 years.
If you look around, even the most modest little house would cost probably over $100,000, $85,000 to $100,000.
They've been through the Supreme Court, the New South Wales Land and Environment Court, and today it's back to the Civil and Administrative Appeals Tribunal.
We just try and prop one another up, and this is not the first time we've had to ride it out, but this is possibly our last chance.
The developer Tricare says it can't comment on the specifics of the case, but it believes the offers made to residents have been fair and reasonable, and it's keen to resolve the matter. While the case has been afoot, laws in New South Wales governing residential parks have changed. There are new provisions for compensation, and today's tribunal hearing will determine whether the residents can be awarded compensation under the new Act.
There are no prior decisions on this area of law. I think this case will be a test because it may help to set the tone for how future matters will be dealt with.
The lengthy battle for compensation for the remaining residents here at Hastings Point will soon be over, but one consumer group is calling for a retirement housing ombudsman to more quickly resolve similar disputes in the future.
It's a waste of public resources to be clogging up these administrative tribunals with these kind of matters for that amount of time, and the strain it puts the people under is just outrageous.
It would have been incredible to have an ombudsman put in place where we could go to discuss our case.
Tricare says the complex issues raised in the Hastings Point case explain the delay in resolving the matter. Amy Bainbridge, ABC News, Hastings Point.